Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can share properties that you've located on your KW agent website. Now, if you are on a mobile device, it is a little easier to do this from your consumer mobile app. So definitely check out our other tip video on that. But if you're on a desktop here working on your command version of desktop and you'd like to share properties with a contact, I'll show you how to do that. So you'll come here to another tab and just type in your KW Agent website link. Here we have our current demo site. And now you would just search for that property. So maybe it's just a particular town that you're looking in, or if you have the exact address, go ahead and type that in as well. Find what you're looking for here in the drop down. We'll go ahead and choose this particular city for today's example. And now you have the option. You can actually share this search results page with all of these different properties if you would like. You can even come up here and adjust some of the filter options that you have if you would like. Go ahead and apply those, as well as the sort options here. We'll just do price high to low for this example. And if you want to share this particular page, you can simply copy the information in the website address bar right here at the top. You just click once, left click once into the address bar. So it's highlighted, and then you right click to copy. And you can share that particular link if you would like to, and it would give them this results page. But if it's a particular property, you can go ahead and select the property by clicking on it. And since this is on your KW agent site, you are the only agent that will show for every single listing. Now that we have this pulled up, you can click the share option and it will copy the link for this particular property. So again, you can click the share icon there to copy the link, or you can simply, again, just left click into your web address bar, right click on it, and copy. Now you have this link copied onto your clipboard on your mouse, and you can come back over here to command and now choose to either send this to a contact in particular. So you can come to your contacts tab, and you can select the contact you want to send it to. And if you have Twilio set up, you can actually choose to go ahead and send a text message to this particular contact if you would like to. Or if you would like to go ahead and send a one-off email, you can go ahead and choose to send an email to their email address here. Now, we have an email address that's not valid, so it's grayed out these options, but you have the options here to form a one-off email to this particular person. You can click Command Email, and it would begin to let you draft an email to this particular contact and paste that link into it. Or you can come back to contacts here and even select multiple contacts and choose to send a one-off email to these particular contacts. And paste that link that you have for that particular property. And click hyperlink here and even change the display text. Add link, and it will make it a nice, neat little hyperlink there for you in your email. And you can go ahead and address this email to whoever you would like to and finish typing out the body of your email. But this is one way to share a listing directly from your KW agent site while you're on a desktop with a contact via email and choose to send it. Or again, if you have Twilio connected, you can go ahead and actually choose to send a text message and include that property link as well. Those are just a couple of ways that you can send a property from your KW agent site to a particular contact in your database. And please know as well that if you want to take that same property and actually share it to more contacts, you can also include those hyperlinks in any smart plans that you may have and also into an email campaign as well if you want to blast it out that way. There's also tip videos on how to share properties directly from your consumer mobile app if you are using a mobile device as well. And also collections. You have a way in Command called collections where you can actually handpick different properties and then send them to multiple contacts as well. So there's a couple of ways to do it. Just choose which one is best for you. If you have any questions at all, you can always reach out to us for support by email, and that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Thanks for watching.